In this video, I will show you how to use Chatgpt to generate customized icebreaker questions for various professional scenarios. Let's get started. I'll start by opening my browser to the Chatgpt homepage. To save time and ensure I provide the best context, I have my initial persona and company details ready in a separate document. I'll bring that window to the front now. I am acting as an HR manager for Fresh Brew Coffee Co. Based in Makati City, so I will copy this detailed prompt which outlines our team size, age range, and the specific need for lighthearted, culturally appropriate questions. I'll paste this into the chat box and send it. As Chatgpt processes the request, it begins categorizing the icebreakers into different situations like team meetings, onboarding, and Zoom calls. I'll scroll through these suggestions to ensure they align with our company culture. The responses are looking great, so I'll go ahead and select the option to prefer the first response to help the model learn my preferences. Now, I want to get even more specific for an upcoming team meeting. I'll head back to my notes and copy a more targeted prompt. This one asks for 20 quick questions focused specifically on coffee and food, designed to be answered in under 30 seconds. Back in Chatgpt, I'll paste this in and hit enter. It immediately generates a creative list of coffee-themed, would you rather, and hypothetical questions that fit our brand perfectly. Next, let's focus on our new hires. I'll grab my third prompt, which is specifically designed to make new employees feel welcome without being interrogated. I'll paste this into the chat. Notice how it provides two sets of questions, some for the team to ask the new hire, and others for the new hire to ask the team. This is a fantastic way to build comfort and rapport from day one. Finally, I need something interactive for our virtual meetings that won't take too much time. I'll copy my final prompt, which asks for quick, visual reactions like holding up fingers or using emojis. Once I paste this in, Chatgpt generates a list of virtual Zoom icebreakers. These are perfect for remote teams because they keep the energy high and the responses fast. I'll scroll through these final results, and just like that, I have a full library of engagement tools ready for any company event. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.